Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone S18. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93% screen to body ratio, approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits. Peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50 EOIS main camera, along with 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle OmniVision OV08D10 camera, and with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50-megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core, Cortex A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad core Cortex A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot, and S18 supports up to 16 GB of virtual RAM expansion as well as 50 GB of storage compression. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45 mm, and it weighs around 185.8 grams. The color options black, green, silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo S18 has been expected price in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 91,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,299 Chinese yuan, and around $325 US, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 103,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,599 Chinese yuan, and around $367 US, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 111,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,799 Chinese yuan, and around $395 US, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 119,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,999 Chinese yuan, and around $424 US. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S18 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.